Okay, you got it?
Ready? What is the difference between a renewable resource and a non-renewable resource, Red?
Renewable resource means that it's renewing faster than we can use it, and non-renewable means at the rate that we're using it, the Earth won't produce enough of it.
In time, right. Point for Red. Okay, there's that one. Okay, Orange, you're next. What is groundwater? Don't think it's big.
Water in the ground.
Yes. Water below the Earth's surface. Yes.
I was going to say, is it really that simple?
Yeah.
Is there a trick here?
No. Okay, yellow. What is the difference between porosity and permeability? That's yellow.
Okay. Permeability is the interconnectedness of pore spaces, ease in which fluids can move through a rock.
All right.
And porosity is the amount of or volume of open space within a rock or mass of sediment.
Yes. So porosity is a volume measurement of how much space or pores are in a rock or sediment. Permeability is how well connected those openings are to allow for the flow of liquid. Yes. Okay, we're off to a good start today. Here you go, green. Sinkholes, underground caves and passages, disappearing streams. These features are formed by what groundwater process?
I know it. I don't have to look.
This is you, green. You got an answer? You're running out of stand. Karst topography, yes. Hey, blue. Give 3 reasons why groundwater is usually a better source for drinking water than in surface water.
More widespread, reliable, consistent.
Clean. More widespread, more reliable, and usually clean. Yes. Okay, we are on a roll. Big purple. Here's your question. Crystal settling, disseminated crystals, magmatic deposits. These are the result of what type of mineral forming processes? Sedimentary, igneous, or metamorphic? There's a
Igneous?
question. Igneous, yes. No stealing so far. Boy, that's rare. Okay, Red. What are the conditions necessary for... Not that there are a lot of spelling errors in this stuff. What are the conditions necessary for an artesian well to form?
The amount of pressure, the artesian well just simply means that the water can be formed, comes out on its own. They're about based on the pressure from the refill.
Okay, why? Why is it under that much pressure? And Red, you're out of time. Orange, can you steal it? I stumped him on this question yesterday, too.
Because the water can't get back in the ground.
Why? God, I love that question. So far the word.
Very small recovery.
Why? and you're out of time. Okay, Orange lost the chip. Okay, Orange, should you have to go back in the deck or some other lucky group of them later? Orange, here is your question. Orange, collection of heat energy from the sun can be used to heat water and/or air, can be collected and transformed into electricity. These are characteristics of which renewable alternative energy resource? No, I don't know. Need an answer. I'm sorry, orange, you're out of time. Yellow, can you steal it?
Solar collector. Oh.
You're not yellow.
Oh, you beat me to saying it because I was just looking at it. Solar collectors.
Solar power?
Solar power.
Yeah, just solar power. Collection of heat from the sun. Solar power.
Everybody gets solar.
Okay, yellow, here is your regular question. How, this was a stumper, yes. How are hydrothermal deposits formed?
Oh, that question? Yeah. Oh, hot steam containing dissolved metals rises out of molten rock at depth, percolates through cracks and crevices in the surrounding rocks. As steam cools, dissolves the minerals crystallize in the cracks, crevices, forming veins of mineral ores.
Yes. Hydrothermal, hot water. It's liquid-rich steam. Steam bubbles up to the surface, and on the way it cools, it leaves stuff behind. And that's how your coffee maker and your shower head all comes up. The water's carrying dissolved calcite, and when it evaporates or boils off, it leaves the gunk behind. It's the same thing. Okay. All right, green. Green, this is your question. What is the concentration factor?
How much of the system is present to make an extraction successful?
Yes. How much of the material needs to be present to be mineable at a profit? Yes. Okay, blue. What is the difference between a resource and a reserve?
The reserve is the amount available for.
What is the difference between a resource and a reserve?
I don't because my son goes to the knows she needs to catch up.
And I'm sorry, you're out of time. Purple, can you steal it?
A reserve is the extractable amount of any naturally useful material that is or could be mined at a profit, and a resource is the estimate of the total amount of naturally occurring useful materials in the market.
Right. Resource is the total amount available. Reserve is the portion of that you're going to be able to actually get out of the ground at a profit.
That'd be funny, Not fair. Give me that look like I was way off.
You weren't way off, you were backwards.
Well,
Yeah.
I had it written down in reverse order.
That's not helpful. Fix that. Fine.
Here.
Okay, purple, your regular question. Okay, purple, because you stole that one, so here's your regular question. Solar power, wind power, tidal power, hydrogen fuel cell. These are examples of conventional energy resources or alternative energy resources.
Alternative energy resources.
Alternative, yes. Okay, red. List the 5 general causes of desertification. What, number 10, number 11? Who's got it?
Natural droughts aggravated by overpopulation, overgrazing.
grazing, agriculture, diversion of water supplies. Yes. Red Pittsburgh shit map, yes, exactly. Okay, orange. How or why does ground subsidence occur? I'm sorry, your time is up. Yellow, can you feel it? I stuck him yesterday with this question too. It's a good one. It's a good one. Let's go back a little bit. It's groundwater.
It's gonna take a while, yeah.
Yes, fast, 'cause you're out of
The rocks and minerals
You're out of
are,
time, you're out of time. Come close to this so far. Green, can you feel it?
So what about
That's
the
it.
origin question?
well, we were trying to.
Oh, that's through two people already. Oh, well, good grief, then that's gonna go back in the deck.
Think of the bright side. We didn't lose a chip, we didn't get a guess off.
These two ones you can answer. Okay, yellow, what is the water table?
The top of the saturated zone boundary between
Okay,
unsaturated.
Stop. It is the top of the saturated zone.
Okay.
Okay.
She's like, oh, there's another question later. Don't answer that one now.
That's it. Well, that's a paradigm in science. Don't make something more complicated unless you have to. Okay. Top of the saturated zone. Done. Water table. Okay. Okay. Green. What are the 5 types of desert?
How do you think I did that? Doing my test? How do you think I got doing all my tests? Oh no, I just.
Green, I'm sorry, you're out of time. Blue, can you feel it? Okay, you're blue. So that's the blue next part of the cake.
Wow.
Okay, it's been a long week, okay?
It's been a long semester. That's a long week.
All right, 5 types of desert.
The subtropical desert, deserts formed in rain shadows, coastal deserts formed along cold ocean currents,
Okay, any 2 more?
deserts formed in interiors of continents, and deserts of the polar regions.
Yes, very good. All right. Hey, Blue, here's your regular question. What is a playa? Not playa. What is a playa? That was in the lab, too, for some reason. Kind of what maps you looked at. What's a playa? Blue, you're out of time. Purple, can you feel?
Widespread accumulation of salty deposits on an old lake bed, common lakes that form in the interior faces of subsidiaries.
Okay, stop. Yeah. Okay, so it's a salt lake that accumulates in the desert. There's no outlet from the lake because deserts have no drainage. So it just evaporates and leaves a salt behind. Okay, whose sneaker was that? I assume that's what that was. I don't know what else to make. Okay, purple, here's your regular question. Crude, it's ironic you get this. Crude oil, natural gas, coal. Are these examples of conventional energy resources or of alternative energy resources?
Well, gee. I think I'm going to take a wild guess and say conventional.
Since the other question you had by chance was alternative.
I mean, we're stepping out on a limb here.
Yeah, I know, it's a rough one. Yeah, those are conventional fossil fuel resources. Yes. I just shuffled the deck. Okay, Red. Don't overthink it. Strong, persistent airflow can be used to pump water up from underground, can be used to turn fan blades, turbines, and generate electricity. These are characteristics of which renewable alternative energy resource? Wind power, yes. Okay, orange, freshly shuffled deck. Let's see what we get. What is a dune?
A pile of sand generally formed by the sun. Deposition formed from the
From wind, yes. Wind-blown deposit of sand, yes. Okay, yellow. Oh, what do you know? What are the conditions necessary for an artesian well to form?
I would have an aquitard like, I think the sandstone, like sandstone.
Well, sandstone is not preferred.
And then, oh, what?
I don't know, you're the one answering the question.
Okay. Aquitard. Okay, well, it's in a, find aquifer.
Thank you.
Oh, that's all.
You need a confined system.
Confined.
You need a confined aquifer to build that pressure. Because it's confined, it's going to build, the water's going to build the pressure.
Okay. Good job.
Okay.
I was overthinking it.
Green. How does a rain shadow desert form?
Area on the downwind or lee side of a mountain range receives sinking warming dry air off the mountains.
Okay, yes. Air sinks as it comes over the top of the mountain. Sinking air compresses and it warms up and it sucks all the moisture up. So you produce dry conditions, yes. Get that. Okay, blue, freshly shuffled deck. What are the two main types of rock products? We mine rocks in two different ways. What do we get? Rock. Two types of rock products. Blue, you're out of time. Purple, can you feel it?
Usually, when you are mining rock, you're mining it for either just like big slabs or chunks of rock, and you're mining it to get the smaller pieces for making.
Okay, and then what do we call those two main types of rock products?
I don't know.
You don't know, you're out of time. Oh, you're out of time. I'm going to have to go back into that. Okay, Purple has fallen. Okay, Purple, here's your original question. The Sahara is an example of what type of desert? Get ready, Red. Sounds like you made chokes out here.
Shadow?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Red, can you seal it?
You see the continental, such all.
Continental interior?
No. I don't think mine is here. Sorry, that's incorrect. That was going to happen real fast. Okay, Red, here's your regular question. What do you know after a big shuffle? What are the two main types of rock products?
Dimension stone and aggregate.
Dimension stone and aggregate. Yes. Okay, orange. You had, those are the lanes. Orange, what is a desert? I got all 6 groups of this question yesterday.
What is it
So
called?
weird that it contains no permanent streams except for those that bring water from close to there. It's not definition.
Okay, why is it arid?
Less than 10 inches of rain and snow a year.
Yes! Yes, less than 10 inches of rain or snow a year, yes. Good job. You did better than yesterday too. Good job. Okay, yellow. I can get it up here so you can see it. If the wind is blowing from upper right to lower left, that's this way. And it's that way, going that way. These crescent-shaped dunes would be an example of what type of dune? And the wind's blowing that way.
Barcon?
That's your answer?
No, that parabolali.
Those are that would be parabolic. Okay. 3. What is the recharge area?
That surface over which rain and snow melt can soak into the ground and become part of the groundwater system.
Yes. So water can get back into the groundwater. Blue. Oh. Why does ground subsidence occur? I wondered if that question would pop up again.
I kind of know the one is
For instance, I don't feel around anybody should get a steal.
Blue, I'm sorry, you're out of time. Can you steal it, purple?
But because of karst topography and the ground collapses once the acid is eaten away.
That's sinkhole development. So the question's not asking for catastrophic collapse of the ground surface, it's asking for sinking.
And you suck all the water out.
And you're out of time. You're out of time. Okay. All right then. Purple, you're ready. Hang on around over there. Purple, your regular question. For what 4 reasons do flash floods commonly occur in desert regions? Well, that was on full time. Purple. That's your regular question because the previous question was attempted steal.
Oh, they occur in desert regions. Oh, good, this is on my test.
Yes.
Yeah.
They occur in
And you're out
desert
of time.
regions because there are no street channels to hold them when there's rain. When there's any rain, it tends to come all at once as opposed to slowly over time.
Before.
Oh. There is nowhere for it to go. It's not surface distancing. There's hard sand underneath it. And caliche. So bad.
Okay, and one more.
Sucks.
Attempted an answer, but unfortunately,
That is a wrong one.
Red, can you steal it?
High volume in a short time, no organized drainage, little to no vegetation, and no infiltration due to caliche layer.
Yes. Vegetation. Vegetation, what you meant. Okay, red. Okay. Then we have that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last round. Gonna shuffle. Red, we'll start with you. Last round. of groundwater contaminants originating from human activities?
Agricultural waste, industrial waste, effluents from landfills and septic tanks, petroleum products, stuff that's not water soluble, radioactive waste, and acid from sulfide mines.
Yes, very good. Chip for red. Okay, orange. This huge dune that forms perpendicular to the wind is an example of what type of dune?
Transverse.
That is transverse, yes. Yellow. What is a mineral resource?
Is elements, compounds, minerals, or rocks concentrated in a form that can be mined and put to useful economic purpose.
Economic purpose. You got it, excellent. Wow, that trailed off there. Yes, that is correct. Okay, green. Oh, what do you know? The Sahara is an example of what type of desert? What do you have to say? I need an answer. Say it quick.
Continental interior?
No, sorry, that's incorrect. Okay, blue, here's your question. Oh, snap. Blue, can you steal it?
Maybe. Make it coastal.
Coastal? Sahara. I'm sorry. Correct.
I want to steal it. I want to steal it.
Oh, sorry. It's not correct. Okay, so what?
Subtropical.
Subtropical. And it's in that 30 degrees north of the equator zone. Someone have it?
No. I don't think it's gonna matter.
Okay, here is your regular question, Blue. What is an aquifer?
Layer of rock or sediment that has high enough porosity and permeability to supply a well of water.
Yes. Rock or sediment with high enough porosity and permeability to supply sufficient flow to a well for drinking water or industrial purposes. Yes. Okay. Purple. Last question. Plasters, yes, that's how you say that. Plasters, evaporites, and glacial deposits. These are the result of what type of mineral forming processes? Sedimentary, igneous, or metamorphic? There's a good question.
Sedimentary?
Sedimentary, yes. Okay. And let's see. How or why does ground substance occur? Red wants a chance. What?
It's subsequent layers of aquifers and aquifers, and they drill down and do the well. They suck out the water from the aquifer, and then that drops, and then they gotta go to the next one, and that drops.
So it's groundwater mining. Removing groundwater from action in nature to keep it full. When you remove that water, that material loses some of the support, and so it compacts. And when it compacts, it gets thinner, and the ground above it sinks. Okay, very good. Shall we add them up?
Sure.
Okay, where's the sign-up sheet? Everyone sign the sheet? Yeah. What's that floating around?
Everybody gets level. I like that.
Thank you.
I'm not playing.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
Happy semester. Everybody smile. Everybody
Red. Okay, red has 11. So you guys gotta remember, you start with 5. Orange has 9. Yellow's got 10. Could be a close one here. Green has 8. Blue has 6.
Excuse me.
Purple has 7. So our winning group looks like, oh, yellow, they got beat by 1 point. Our winning group today is red. All right, so when's the final exam?
Thursday.
Next Tuesday. Enjoy your zero.